To many of us, the modern political process feels broken. Citizens feel far removed from the decision-making process, and this contributes to voter apathy and an overall feeling that one lacks the ability to influence policy in an impactful way. Media has also created the perception that the country is more polarized than it is. To solve these problems, we've created Elias, a political social network which gives the power back to the citizens to engage in the political process and impact policy decisions. Elias's most prominent feature is the location-based polling system. Users raise a question which they can put out to their followers as well as users in the surrounding area through location tagging. This allows for uniquely local issues to be transmitted directly to those stakeholders within the community who will be affected the most. Users then debate the issue in a two-tier comment section, yes on one side and no on the other, in which they can only upvote and downvote their respective sides in order to mitigate online trolling. The top arguments of each side are always displayed at the top, giving users both sides of the story. Petitions can then be tied to questions so that when users vote, they are also signing a petition. When that petition reaches a certain threshold, it is then sent to the government body in charge of that issue. Those politicians can then create special profiles which allow them to open direct dialogue with their constituents. The demographic data is visualized simply and effectively under each poll so users can see in real time where their community stands. They can also filter the data to see how different demographics are voting on issues and gain insights on political narratives. Privacy is our utmost concern. All users are provided with two profiles when they sign up. One with demographic data such as race and political affiliation, and one that allows them to act anonymously in order to remove the fear of social repercussion and reprisals. Elias is committed to never selling personal data and always putting our users first. We have also created the ability for users to post news articles which they can mark as accurate or refute and tag as fake news, all in order to empower citizens and amplify their voice online as well as offline. We are also partnered with Civic, a blockchain ID company which allows users to store their ID on the blockchain. This is a first step in our goal of creating a fully decentralized voting system. Elias is committed to making politics more accessible and bringing democracy back into the hands of the people. We want to hold our elected officials accountable to their constituency, the source of democratic power. Together, we can take back ownership of democracy and enact meaningful change within our communities.